Hello and welcome to the January Street Studios tutorial series. In this video, I'll be explaining how to read musical pitches on the bass clef staff. The musical alphabet uses the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. This repeats several times, starting over with A after the G each time. This applies to both treble and bass clef music. We write musical pitches on the music staff, the notes telling us which pitch is which by the vertical placement. It is also important to remember that if it is round, it makes a sound. The round part of the note will be on a line or space to show the pitch. There are several ways to determine the identity of musical pitches in the bass clef. One way is to memorize the lines and spaces. The bass clef lines are G, B, D, F, and A. Many beginner musicians memorize this by making a mnemonic, such as grizzly bears don't fear anything, or some other creative variation. The bass clef spaces are A, C, E, and G. A mnemonic for this might be all cows eat grass. For memorizing both the lines and spaces, it is important to remember to start on the bottom line or bottom space, the pitches listed up from there. Another method is to use the bass clef or F clef to find the F on the staff. The two dots to the right of the clef are above and below the F line, and the curly part of the clef sign usually wraps around the F line as well. From here, you can count up or down to determine the pitch name. Don't forget to start over with A after G when moving up. When moving down, you will need to say the musical alphabet in reverse. You can also use a pitch chart to determine the name of the note. To use this method, you will need to remember these three simple steps. First, locate the pitch on the staff. Is it on a line or a space? 2. Look at the pitch chart and match the exact same line or space to the music. If it has a sharp or a flat, match that same symbol as well. And third, use the pitch chart to name the pitch. This is also useful when playing an instrument, and you can usually find the finger position for that instrument at the same time. Of course, every method will take some time until you become very familiar with the bass clef staff. Students should practice reading the music until the pitches become easy to read. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial. We'll see you next time.